Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a versatile kitchen companion that promises to elevate your cooking experience, whether you're in a bustling home kitchen, a compact office space, or even out on an RV adventure. We're talking about the Borrallio portable electric stove, a single-burner cooktop with some compelling features. Let's start with power. This little unit packs a punch with an 1800-watt ceramic burner. That's significant power for a portable device, meaning it heats up incredibly fast. The product details emphasize its ability to bring water to a boil or sear a steak quickly, all while running on a standard 110V to 120V outlet. For anyone who's ever waited an eternity for a traditional electric burner to get up to temperature, this is a welcome prospect. The efficiency here is key, ensuring your food retains its flavor and your cooking times are reduced. Now, how do you control all that power? Borrallio has opted for a dual control system, offering both a touch screen and a physical knob. This is an interesting approach that caters to different user preferences. You can seamlessly adjust the heat from a gentle 100-watt simmer, perfect for sauces or delicate dishes, all the way up to the full 1800-watt blast for rapid cooking. The touch screen offers 4 preset cooking modes: fry, barbecue, soup, and fast cook. While these presets are handy, the real strength lies in the precise wattage adjustment that the knob and touch screen facilitate, allowing you to truly master any recipe. This level of control is crucial for achieving culinary perfection. Safety is always paramount in the kitchen, especially with portable appliances. This ceramic infrared cooktop is designed with safety in mind. It features overheat protection, which is a standard but essential feature. More notably, it includes a residual heat indicator. This means the surface will display a flashing, hot sign until it's cooled down to a safe temperature, preventing accidental burns. Another fantastic safety and convenience feature is the adjustable timer, which can be set for up to 180 minutes. This allows you to step away from the stove, knowing your dish will be cooked to perfection and automatically shut off, freeing you up to focus on other tasks or simply enjoy your time. One of the most significant advantages of this type of cooktop is its cookware compatibility. The Borrallio electric ceramic cooktop is designed for fireless cooking and works with virtually any flat-bottomed cookware. This includes materials like glass, ceramic, iron, stainless steel, aluminum, and even casseroles. This broad compatibility means you don't need to invest in a whole new set of pots and pans. The heating surface itself is a generous 7.08 inches, which should accommodate most common pot and pan sizes. The overall countertop dimensions are also quite compact at 14.2 by 11.0 by 2.5 inches, making it easy to store and transport. So, let's talk pros and cons. The powerful 1800-watt burner and rapid heating are definite pros. The dual control system with both touch screen and knob offers excellent flexibility and precision. The safety features, particularly the residual heat indicator and the long timer, provide peace of mind. And its compatibility with all flat-bottomed cookware is a huge win for convenience. On the flip side, as with any single burner unit, it's not ideal for complex multi-pot meals. While the presets are nice, some users might prefer more granular control over temperature rather than wattage adjustments, although the knob does offer that. Lastly, while it's portable, the 1800-watt power draw means you'll need to ensure your power source can handle it, especially if you're using it in conjunction with other high-draw appliances. In conclusion, the Borrallio portable electric stove is a powerful and versatile cooking solution. Its rapid heating, precise controls, robust safety features, and universal cookware compatibility make it an excellent choice for anyone needing an extra burner, a portable cooking option, or a primary cooking device in smaller living spaces. It truly bridges the gap between convenience and performance. Link in the description.